Okay, Marlon, you want to do the taste test for me?
Of course. So good.
Mash 2 ripe bananas into a mixing bowl. Add peanut butter. Add your protein powder. Add the oatmeal. And I added dark chocolate chips. I believe they were 60% cocoa. Spray your cookie sheet with nonstick spray, then portion out your cookies. I used an ice cream scoop. You can use whatever you want. Just keep in mind that the cookies are going to cook in the shape you put them in. They will not spread in the oven. Bake for 12 minutes until lightly golden. Okay, Marlon, you want to do the taste test for me?
Of course. So good. I love these.
I do too. High in protein.
Oh, it's such a good snack for me for the gym. Because it's a protein powder.
It's protein powder, bananas,
like for anybody going to the
oatmeal.
gym. For anybody going to the gym, this is perfect. Because this is like a little meal you can eat before you go work out and after.
Peanut butter. And I added a little bit of dark chocolate chips.
I love it.
I know you love those. Okay, Marlon
Serious,
approved.
Though, if you're going to the gym, eat these before you go to the gym. Perfect fuel to work out.
Yep,
Get a great pump.
That's one of your favorite pre-gym.
Oh yeah.
Okay, thanks, honey.
Of course.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them for me in the comments. Everything we talked about today, you can find as links in the video description below. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.